This video shows cars from the middle series of the pre-war Lionel passenger trains, a classification defined by the Lionel Book Committee of the Train Collector Association TCA. This 629-630 variant was the first, built between 1924 to 1927. It still has the characteristic color scheme of the early Lionel cars, which were mainly brown, green or red. The image is from the 1926 catalogue. This is a later version of the 629-630, introduced in 1927 with a new color scheme, now orange and peacock. Later it was also offered in red and green. This was about the time when Lionel cars became more colorful toys, rather than scale models. This 605 Pullman and 606 Observation was produced in 13 variants, and the one you see here was the last, made in 1932-1933. This olive green variant shown here never appeared in the Lionel catalogue. The 529-530 was introduced in 1926. This was the last variant of that series, produced between 1931 and 32, in terracotta with cream inserts and a maroon frame. A new body style for the 610-612 cars was introduced in 1926, with 8 instead of 6 windows. This car was produced in 15 variants, and the one shown here was probably produced in 1935. It was only catalogued until 1930, but according to the TCA book, sold until 1937. The 710-712 Pullman and Observation was produced in 15 variants with 8 and 12 wheels and in different colors. These cars were the last variant, produced between 1933 and 34, and the image is from the 33 catalogue. It is actually the most impressive one of the zero-gauge Prevost passenger cars and was sold as set with the largest steam loco, the 260E.